his square, but again finds the fielder at backward point, who is Hassan Ali. 248 for 4 in over number 39. Root is 107. Butler 75. 101 needed from 68 deliveries. And just looking to make some adjustments in the field. Muhammad Hafiz signaling from short third man. The captain is unmoved, other than to get behind the stumps as a quicker flatter delivery is caught. Taken at short third man. Quicker delivery. Looking to play it away square. Didn't recognize the extra pace. And he's taken at that short third man position. The catch taken by Hassan Ali. Root goes for 107. England 248 for 5 in the 39th over.
Yeah, that could be a big wicket. Pakistan exactly what they needed. Exactly what England didn't need. Joe Root, brilliant century. He tried to squeeze it through that gap 2 or 3 times in the over. This was quicker, very flat. It was a square drive and it flew to backward point, short third man fielder. Took a very simple catch. Good bowling from Shadab, but a brilliant knock by Joe Root. Just couldn't quite get on top of it, could he? Sliced it away. He's absolutely aghast. Stood in the middle of the pitch with his hand on his head. Now he gets a huge round of applause.
Tremendous ovation. Outstanding, and he shakes his head in disappointment with the fact that he's not able to take England all the way, and calls Moeen Ali back.
Has brought this game back alive. It's all looking a bit too easy for a while.
101 to get. 67 deliveries, 5 wickets in hand.
Listen to the noise in the stadium at Trent Bridge now. Very vociferous Pakistani contingent.